Hi everyone, welcome back to another house tour. Hope you all are doing well. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a stylish 4-bedroom detached property. This is Salcombe V1 from Harron Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. These are some of the highlights from the property. Now coming to the location, this is located at Hockley Croft, Harrogate. It's a very expensive area and there are a lot of other developments nearby. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor we have a lounge, kitchen with dining, utility, clock room and a study. On the first floor we have 4 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a family bathroom. This is the front view of the house. It looks very different to the ones which I've toured so far. In the front you're getting a cave like of entry, which makes it look different from the rest of the properties. You'll be getting 2 car park space in the front and there's also a garage. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a spacious hall in front of you with various partitions made towards the first floor, living room and also the kitchen. So let's explore the living room first. They're giving a glass door to this living room here, which makes it look beautiful and different. And as you can see, it's a very spacious and beautiful living room. Towards one end you're getting the wide bay window and towards the front end you're getting a nice big window. Now the difference between normal Salcombe and the Salcombe V1 is, for this you have an additional bay window, and for the other one, the regular Salcombe, you don't have the bay window. You'll have only this front window. Another interesting feature about the show homes of these Harron Homes is I really love their interiors. They try to give some kind of royal touch to every room. The decorations and the furniture used, everything is really beautiful. So this is all about the living room. Now just as you come out of the living room, in the front, just opposite to it, you'll find the small storage space. This is having a door and lock again. Now from here we'll be moving towards our kitchen and dining. This is a beautiful kitchen and dining, as you can see, quite spacious and wide. The kitchen is coming in the middle with good space. You have again a really good space for the dining area behind. And towards the opposite end you'll be getting the utility with washroom. Now if you remember, most of the kitchens are having the similar model. Towards the dining space you have this extended French door access towards the garden, which is really good, and you're getting a nice window towards the kitchen side. I also like the basic worktop which they provided here in the show home, the wooden one. The shade is really good. We tried a similar one for our house but we couldn't get. And the cupboard style also is different, which I showed earlier. And since you're getting an extra window here towards the kitchen side, there's plenty of light and good air movement. Now towards the opposite side, you're getting space for the integrated fridge, freezer and oven. Now let's check out the dining space and then come back to the utility area. So as you can see, behind this kitchen area you're getting the dining space. It's kind of like an open plan kitchen and dining. Very good space here. A big dining table with 6 to 8 chairs fits in, and you have really good space to walk around. And the French doors also are quite wide and big. So behind you'll be getting nice spacious garden with fence around it. And even towards the dining side there's a window coming. The interiors in this house are different and eye-catching. I really like this dinner set a lot. Check out these golden spoons, they look different and nice. Now moving towards the utility space. So beside this kitchen, towards the other side, you have the utility area. Here again, the space is okay. At the bottom, you're getting some cupboards wherein you can plan the washing machine and dryer. The boiler is given here in the utility. There's also garden access here from this utility area. Now from this utility you have the access towards the washroom here in the ground floor. The space is okay in the washroom. There's a water closet, sink, and you're getting a window towards one side. The mains of the house are also given here in the washroom. Now before leaving the kitchen, I just wanted to show you all the cupboard which they specially designed to arrange the bottles here. We have seen this in the other Harron Homes show home as well. So this is all about the kitchen dining space. Now we also have a study coming up in the ground floor. So as you enter the house, towards the left side you actually get this study. The space is quite okay. It looks like a regular study. You can use it as a first visitor room or workspace, anything you want to. You're still getting a nice window towards the front side. So very good amount of light falling in the room. This is all about the ground floor. Now let's move to the first floor and check out the rooms there. As I told you in the beginning, on the first floor we have 4 bedrooms, with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. So this is the master bedroom. The design of this bedroom is slightly different from the ones which you have seen so far. Towards one side you'll be getting the bed space wherein a double cot fits in and you can walk around. There's a nice window coming towards the front end, and towards the opposite side you'll be getting the wardrobe space and also the dressing area, and there's an ensuite coming just opposite to it. The wallpaper design and also the colors chosen look subtle, at the same time rich. And towards the front end you're getting some extra space wherein you can plan a dressing table if you want to. So now moving towards the dressing area and also the wardrobes. Sometimes I feel, it's really good to have this kind of separated dressing space and also the wardrobes. Normally in most of the houses we get it just opposite to the beds or beside it. So if you get a small partition in between, it's really good. Now let's check out the ensuite. This is a fully tiled bathroom. You're getting the water closet, sink, and a nice walk-in shower. There's a window coming towards the front end, so the ventilation is really good. They're providing a head shower in this ensuite here. If you want, you can fit an additional hand shower. This is all about the master bedroom. Now let's check out the other rooms of the house. So just opposite to this, you're getting the second bedroom. Now here in this corridor, you'll be getting a window. So good amount of light falling even in the corridor. So this is the second bedroom. It's again a double bedroom, As you can see, a double cot fits in and there's really good room space to walk around. There's a nice window coming towards the front end, so good amount of light falling in the room. Overall, a decent bedroom which can be used by kids or guests. Now let's move to the other rooms of the house. So just as you come out of this second bedroom, you need to walk towards the opposite side to go towards the third bedroom. This is the third bedroom of the house. It's again a double bedroom, but maybe because there's an extension coming in the front of the room, it makes it look smaller. And also the planning of the bed. If it was me, probably I would have planned the bed towards the opposite side beside the small window, so that as you enter the room in the front you'll get some good space. You're still getting two big windows, so very good amount of light falling in the room. The bedrooms, now it totally depends on how we plan. If we plan well, we can manage to get some extra space. So this was all about the third bedroom. Now just beside this third bedroom, you're getting the family bathroom. Now here in this bathroom, you have both the tub and also the shower. The space is okay. You're getting a window towards one side. So again, the ventilation is good. This shower cubicle, this is slightly bigger than the regular ones. Overall, a decent bathroom. Now just beside this family bathroom, you're getting a small room with door and lock again, and there's a water heater inside. Now moving towards the fourth bedroom of the house. All the four bedrooms in this house are double bedrooms. But again, the space inside each bedroom is slightly different. Now this bedroom looks good. A double cot fits in and you have really good space to walk around. There's a nice wide window coming towards the front end, so good amount of light falling in the room. Now towards the front end, you're getting some extra space wherein easily you can plan a wardrobe. And the wardrobe is not actually disturbing the room space, which is quite good. Even though it's a 4-bed detached property, from outside the building and architecture, it looks quite massive, like a bungalow. I really love the ground floor, the living area and also the dining space, kitchen and everything. They gave a lavish space everywhere. On the first floor, the bedrooms are okay, the ensuite and also the family bathroom. It's good, the space is good and the facilities are good. Overall, a decent property. We covered all the rooms in this house. Now, in the ground floor, I already showed you the front visuals and also the garage. We'll be getting a double garage in the front. And since it's a detached property, you'll be getting good space in the front and towards the side as well. So this was all for today. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.